Hello, beautiful people from YouTube. My name is Renee, and it is something a little bit different. I made my dog Calista a Easter basket with all little goodies and everything. So it's a little hard to see how she like it. So the first thing is a little bunny. It got 2021 on the little feet, colorful rainbow bunny. I think she like it. You like it? Yeah. She did take it. The next thing I got her is a 3-pack of ball. I did put one tender bars in here. Look. I got this. And she took it away. And the next thing that I got is a little outfit. I love the color. It's all about me. That always say with the little pink paw. I love the colors. The blue and the baby pink. And I got her some treats. One of the treats she never tried before, and the other two she have. So she's coming. These are our favorite treats that she likes. So I got her these. She really liked these, and I got her favorite dental teeth, and I got her some new ones. And she never tried these, but she had tried, peanut butter flavor, but she haven't tried these. These are like the gingerbread peanut butter ones. I just saw it. I just thought it was cute with the little gingerbread, but she never tried these, but she had tried the peanut butter flavor. And of course, there is a little basket here, very cute. I love this basket. But yeah, these are her treats that I got her. I hope she liked these, since it is her first time actually trying it. I hope she really does. So it's something different. So yeah, so this is my little haul what I got my dog for Easter. Okay, I didn't try the peanut butter one really quick. I hope she like them. So let me see. Because I know she like these two right at the back, but I want to see how she like these. She did try some peanut butter ones, but they're a little bit different, so I hope she like these. So, let's see. Calista, you want one? Let me see how they smell. I'm a little bit of peanut butter, but let's see. Okay, the only thing look like. They're so cute. Here, mamas. Yep, she like them. So that's a good thing. And of course, these she love. I already know. I'm for sure she like these. So I didn't want it to test this out because I tried some peanut butter ones, but the one that I buy, they're a little bit different. But these are very cute, and they smell actually like peanut butter a little bit. Thank you for watching again. I got my Goodreads Instagram link down below. Bye.